every Jack has his Jill. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Every Jack has his Jill, and it's not just a saying. The message behind this proverb is that there is someone out there for everyone. Someone who will love you unconditionally, support you, and be your partner in life. This is a comforting thought, especially for those who may be feeling lonely or struggling to find their place in the world. But how can we apply this proverb to our lives in a practical way? One way is to remember that, just as there is someone out there for us, there is also something out there that we are meant to do. Each one of us has a unique purpose in life, whether it's to be an artist, a scientist, a teacher, or a caregiver. By finding our passion and pursuing it with dedication and perseverance, we will ultimately find success and fulfillment. Another way to apply this proverb is to remember that we are not meant to go through life alone. We all need support from others, whether it's in the form of a romantic partner, family member, friend, or colleague. By building strong relationships with those around us and being there for them when they need us, we can create a network of support that will help us overcome any obstacle. In short, every Jack has his Jill means that there is someone out there for everyone, and that everyone has a unique purpose in life. By finding our passion and building strong relationships with others, we can bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed in both our personal and professional lives. Moreover, it's important to remember that finding our Jill or Jack doesn't necessarily mean finding the perfect partner or reaching perfection ourselves. It means finding someone who complements our strengths and weaknesses, someone we can grow with and learn from. It also means embracing our own imperfections and owning our unique qualities. Ultimately, every Jack has his Jill reminds us to have faith in ourselves and in the universe. Things may not always go according to plan, but everything happens for a reason. By staying true to ourselves, following our passions, and cultivating strong relationships, we can live a fulfilling and meaningful life. So let's embrace this proverb and trust that our Jill or Jack is out there waiting for us. Every Jack has his Jill, and by believing in this proverb, we can find hope and inspiration in life. It reminds us that we are not alone and that we all have a purpose in life. By staying true to ourselves and pursuing our passions, we can overcome any obstacle and find success and happiness in both our personal and professional lives. So let's keep the spirit of this proverb alive and trust that our perfect match is out there waiting for us. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.